Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and I'm here today. I'm going to be putting together a Christmas tree-shaped charcuterie board, and I wanted to just share with you how I'm putting this together for the upcoming holidays. The very first thing that I have done is I have gathered some sprigs of rosemary and laid them out in the shape of a Christmas tree, as you can see here. The very first thing is I'm using some hard salami. And for this particular one, what I'm doing is I'm folding it twice, and then what I'm gonna do is lay it on top of the pieces of rosemary. And we're just gonna start these out and lay them in. You may have to kind of do a little adjusting to make sure everything stays where it's supposed to be. But just press them together kind of firmly and then just lay them in along the bottom of your charcuterie board. So we get that. We're going to go ahead and start in with a second row, and I'm just going to kind of nestle these in between the other pieces, turning them the opposite way. Okay, now hopefully you can see that a little bit better. And we're just going to kind of stick them in and around the salami. I'm going to put in some of these little truffles. So we're going to go ahead and add like a little row of truffles across here. Okay, we just get a little row of that going. And the very first thing is I have cut a little block of goat cheese, and we're going to use it as our trunk of our Christmas tree. So we're going to put it right down here. We're just going to start out with a row of the white cheese. And I'm just going to nestle it in between all of the different little pieces. Another row just to fill in the gaps. I think you can kind of see what I'm doing here. You just want to make sure that you're covering your board thoroughly. Dried cranberries. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more color in. So I'm just going to take the dried cranberries and we're just going to put them in little pieces. For our next row, we're going to add in some blueberries and fill in with extra as you go. Next, we're putting in more cheese, this time some cheddar. Okay, now we're coming up to the top, and so this time let's go ahead and add in some nuts. We're going to add in some mixed nuts here to the top. And then I also have some really fun pomegranate seeds. And so we're going to add those right up at the very, very top. And then the last thing, these little star ice cookies. And we're going to put one of those at the very, very top of our tree here. And then I'm going to take some cranberries and we're going to add those to the tips of each of these little branches. We're going to just add a few. And then I'm going to put just a few of these down here in the bottom, just to again make it look a little prettier.